guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a slow motion and a fast motion video on TikTok. So first, you're just going to hit the record button, and you are then just going to go to speed up here under flip. If you go to 0.3x speed, it's going to make your video slow. If you're going to make it quick, you need to put it in 3x speed. So I'm just going to show you right now with like a mouse, because I don't know what else to show you with. Okay. Okay, let's just try 0.3x speed and record that. Okay. And then as you can see, it's in slow motion. And let's just go back. And if you want to make a fast motion video, you're just going to go to 3x speed. Oh wait, hold on, I need to record it first. Okay. As you can see, it is in a fast motion. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!